Hey preteens! I think the whole concept of virginity is outdated and, well, kind of annoying. Here are 5 reasons why I think it should no longer be a thing. 1. We know that sex means different things for different people. If someone with a penis isn't into vaginas, does that make them a virgin forever? 2. The concept of virginity is problematic because it reinforces the damaging stereotype that sex is okay for a certain group of people, like boys and men, but wrong for another, like girls and women. 3. The concept has also been used to judge and shame, which is never okay. Whether or not a person has had sex before is never an indication of their character or value. 4. There's no way of telling if someone's a virgin or not. Also, who cares? And 5, let's ditch the term losing one's virginity. Under the right circumstances, people have nothing to lose and lots to gain the first time they have sex, like intimacy, pleasure, stress relief, and fun. Got questions about virginity or anything else to do with your body? Let me know in the comments and I promise I'll get back to you.